Hello everyone, so welcome back to the another video of this Python tutorial beginner series. So in this lecture, we are going to see about sets. In previous lectures, I have covered lists, lists, tuples. In this lecture, we are going to see about sets. Okay, so let's begin our video lecture. In this here, let's see this example. This fact is also represented in a public basis. Let's see, sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. It is one of four printed data types, as you know. In the previous lecture, we have covered list, tuple. This we have covered sets. A set is a collection which is unordered. It is unordered. There is no specified order for this, and it is unchangeable, means immutable and unique as to sets items are unchangeable, but you can remove items and add new items. This is immutable, but we can remove or add new items. So this is one feature of sets. Sets are written with curly brackets, as you know. You can see this example. When you will print this, you will simply get set. Set is, as you know, you have learned about sets in your 12th class. Yes, 10th, in 12th, in 12th, 11, you have covered once. Sets collection. Set is a collection of items. Okay, let's see this. Set items are unordered, unchangeable, and don't allow duplicate values. You know, the sets is to contain only one single item, unique single item. It can't allow duplicate values. Okay, let's see unordered. What does mean is unordered? Unordered means that the items in a set don't have a defined order. Then set items that can appear in a different order every time you use them and cannot be referred by index key. As you know, sets is unchangeable. Set items are unchangeable, meaning that we can't change the items after the set has been created. Once is a set created, you can't change it items, but you can remove items and add new items. This can this task can be performed removing item and adding new item. This is possible in set. Okay, duplicate not allowed. As you know, let's see an example. In this example, you can see apple is two times. Apple is coming two times. So in fact, it is collection of single make item only. It can't allow duplicate one. Let's say run this code. Okay. In output you can see the apple is one time, cherry is one time, banana is also one time. But in the code, if we have written two times. This is the set. Set contains a collection of unique item only. List allow duplicate values and tuple also around. But set removes the duplicate values. If you write here like comma, let write banana. What will be the output? You can see. I have written banana two times. When you will run and see the output, what we are getting, you can simply see we are getting only three values. That is apple, banana, cherry. Okay. So this is about set. The values 2 and 1 are considered the same value in sets and are treated as duplicates. Okay, 2 and 1 considered as same value. After when you will run this, 1 and true are the same. Okay, there is no difference between true and 1. True, if there is true, 1 will be not executed. 1 will not executed. False is 0. I already taught you false is always 0 and true is always 1. So when you will write false and give a value 0, the false will be printed, executed in the out. You can see 1 will not be executed because both are same value. Okay, let's see an example in our VS Code first. I am making double right shift click open with home. After opening, you have to create a new folder here. Write sets dot e1. We are seeing a simple example on basis of this. Let's create a set. Let's write some values. And 20. 1 minute, please. So we have what we have done. We have some added added some set values. Like I have created a variable with set. I have to print I have to print this variable is this set and I want to check the type. You know how you can check the type? Type is to verify what is this. This is dictionary, tuple. If you forget, okay, if you don't know what is this, to verify this, you can write simply print of type of in type of in type of we write variable numbers. What we have to print type of numbers. Let's run our code. Okay, you can see we are getting set because this is containing set. If I write here, let's verify this also. If I write here 10, comma 30, comma 50, like 20, 20, 10, 20, 40. If I have written, so what will be the output? It all will be printed or single values only, let's say. You can see in the output that value is unique only. There is no duplication. This is the set. As you know, in maths also, there will might be single value, unique item only. They can't be same. So this is our example. Let's see how to get the length of function. You know, if you have to find any length of any variable, like any set list, you have to simply type rate of length. Length means length of variable. Which variable? Here, let's do this one. When I will click on front, so what will be output? Length is 4 because set contains only unique items in when you have executed. So this is giving us more that's all. But in set, I have declared 7 variables. But in output, I am getting 4 only. Okay. If you want to find length, you can use this function length of variable, which variable you have assigned before, right? Okay. Set items data type. Let's see item data type. Sorry, data types. You know data types int, float, int, float, string, boolean, all will be supported in this set also. When you click on run, you can see you are getting same. But duplicacy is not allowing. Okay, if you want to write this, you can write. Yeah, I hope so. You all have noted down this example. Let's see another. A set with, this is a mix of set. All will be bracketed. You can see because there is no duplicacy when using this table. Let's see you. I already taught you how you can find a type. You have to, if you want to verify this, what is this set? If this set list, but in list, what we have in list, how we can define? You can define by this square brackets in this in tuples, this round brackets. In set, we are using curly braces. Okay, so I already taught this. Here you can see I have done in VS Code type of numbers to check the type. This is set constructor. So don't we have don't need to read through. This makes a little bit confusing. What I have taught, like this, you can make an answer. This is by using some another method like double round brackets or set. You can make by this also. This also gives us set. Okay, let's see. There are four collection data types, as you know, in Python programming language. We have covered list. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable along duplicate records. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, allows duplicate records. Set, we are on the set. A set is a collection of which is unordered, unchangeable, and unit-x. No duplicate records. In dictionary, there is also no duplicate records. Let, after this lecture, we will cover about dictionary. The set items are unchangeable, but you can remove items and add new items. This is the feature only you can perform in this set. Let's see which one of these is a set. My set, this is parenthesis, this is square bracket, and this is curly braces. So choose by yourself first. Try by yourself. After that, I will do as what you know. This is very easy question. Solve by yourself first. So our answer will be this curly braces because because the parenthesis is used in tuple, the square bracket is used in list. Oh, so our answer will right will be good answer will be sorry, our answer will be third option, which is curly braces. Let's see next question also. 1 minute. Sorry, my network is not working. Yes. Let's see next question. True or false? Set items cannot be removed after the set has been created. So it is true or false? What will be answered? Sorry. So what is the question? Set items cannot be removed after the set has been created. I already have told you. You can add or remove in set. This is the what functions you can perform in set only. So you can do this. So this sentence is false. Let's see next question. Our next question is okay. This is also a true or false. A set cannot have two items with the same value. With true or false? You know this answer. Please first try by yourself. So let's see what the question will be trying to say. A set cannot have items with the same value. Yes, this is true. So our answer will be okay. In this, select the correct function for returning the number of items in a set. So let's say fruits is this. You have to return return the number of items in a list. So like there are how many items in the list? Five, six. So which function you will use? So yes, we are seeing this question. So what will be answered? I hope you all have done with this. So select, we have to select the correct function. Okay. So for finding length, you will have to use length. Will submit your answer. So this will be correct. Okay, let's see how you can access items by using this. Not in membership operators. These are the operators. This is not as much important. Yes, adding item is important. Once a set is created, you can't change its item, but you can add. You can add. You can't change. If there is apple, if you want to change from apple to banana, it can't be changed. But if you have add a new item, it is possible. So let's say to add one item to a set, use the add function. You have to use the add function. Let's see by VS Code. Let's say there are foods. Let's see, there is apple, banana, and you have to add a fruit also. So what you will do? You will take a fruit, which what is the syntax I am telling you? You have to take the variable name and dot add. Add after that parenthesis and what item you have to add. Like I want to add date, okay? And after that you have to print. You print fruits. Okay, so what I have done, firstly, I have created a variable named fruits. After that, I have inserted items apple, banana. And I want to add a fruit named date. Okay, when I will click, so I will see, you can see there in output, apple, banana, date are appearing. Okay, so this is adding fruit name. You can also try by yourself more example like this. If you want to set, if you want to set, if you want to add sets, if I have this set and I have to add this tropical set in this. So how this is possible? Let's see in this. Yes, you can see apple, banana, cherry, pineapple, mango, papaya, all are in the one set because By using update function, you can perform this type of result. You have to take first variable name, this set. After that, you have to take update, and inside that update, you have to use tropical. Okay, and after that, print. It will print a set. This is not important for you. Yes. What is the correct syntax for adding item to a set? If you have to set, if you have add an item to a set, what you have to use, what you will use. So as you know, insert we don't use, push we don't use, I or not taught like this. I have told you add. If you want to add, you can use add. Update is to add a set into another set. Okay, what you have to right here, use the add method to add according to the fruits set. If you have set this, so do by yourself first. After that, I will tell. You can add by using fruit dot. So we have to add orange then and parenthesis. So this is our syntax for this. So we have covered adding set items. Let's see remove how you can remove item. To remove an item in a set, use the remove or the discard. Both you can use to remove or discard items. Remove banana by using the remove. If you want to remove banana, we are using add to add here. We can use remove or discard. Both we can use to remove banana. We can see by example also. Let's see. So, let's say I have this and I have bank. So what I have here, I have performed a remove function. So What will be output? Let's see. I am removing mango from this. You can see if remove mango. If I use here discard, no discard, you can also use. So when I will run discard, both output will be. We can see also a more function of this. This is by using discard. If the item to remove does not exist, discard will not raise an error. You can also use the pop method to remove an item, but this method will remove a random item. So you can not be sure with what item that gets removed. This is will be random, like I have used pop. It can be removed, apple can be, banana can be, cherry. Clear. Yes, this one I have. But if I the clear method is the set empty. It makes empty like there is apple, banana, cherry. After running, this will nothing. No output will be there. Set empty set will be appear. Okay, so this is the function for clear. Let's say tell. This is not much as important. Yes, let's see example of this. What is the correct syntax for removing an item from a set? If you have to remove item from set, what you have to use? Delete, remove, extract. So think about this question first. Yes. For removing an item, we use remove. We don't use extract or delete. We use only remove. Okay, let's see one more question on this. Okay, use the remove method to remove banana from the fruits. You have to remove fruits. Okay, so do by yourself first. After that, I will do. Then let's see. I hope you all have done this question also. What we have to do, we have to remove function. This will be our answer. And let's go further. We have completed adding set item, how we can access, and let's say set methods. One thing I have to this is yes, join sets. How you can join, like if you know sets we will use union, intersection, which things common like that. We will also do by this Python programming. Let's see first union. Union method returns a new set with all items from both sets. If there are like with A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. There are all new items and unique items. It will print A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. So this is unique. Okay, let's say you can use the this operator also instead of union method. Like you have, if you don't want to use union, this is the syntax for this. You have to create two variable. After that, you have to take a union, set one dot union of another set. So it will be done like this. So if you want to join multiple sets, what you simply do after union, you have to write all the sets, remaining set like set 2, 3, 4, what will be, whatever there, you have to write that. Okay. By using this operator, you can also do union. This is not as much important. If you want to update set to, let's see, the update method insert the items in set 2 into set 1. Let's run our code. It will same as union. Will update. Write this question in your copy. You can write. Okay. Let's say intersection will return a new set that only contains the item are present in both sets. Like you can see it joins set 1 and set 2 but keep only the duplicates. If there is a Apple banana chair and in another set there is Google Microsoft Apple, what it will return? It will return only Apple. If it gives only duplicate items, single duplicate will be like there is Apple two times. What intersection does? Already know in the previous classes in 11, 12, you already read intersection union in this sets. Okay, so this is intersection. How you can perform intersection? You have to create two variables, set one, set two. After that, take the variable set two and perform set one dot intersection of set two. Instead of intersection, you can use a percent operator also. In union, you can perform another operator that is this one. In union, you can use if you want to use you can use this, and in intersection you can use a percent operator. This one. So this is difference. ये इसका मतलब होता है वो देखते हैं a minus b. What this does means a minus b means set 1 minus set 2. This does means not the elements in A, but not in B. It will break that. There is not changing. So this is difference operator. This is not as much important to see. Yes, let's see on one question on this. What is the correct syntax for joining set 1, set 2, set? set 1 and set 2 into set 3. So what will be correct syntax? Let's see our question. What is trying to say? Yeah. You have to join set 1 and set 2 into set 3. So set 3 our will be new variable. Join this is not correct. Set 3, set 1 plus this is not correct. For joining we use union or that operator or operator. Okay. So our correct option will be this. We have covered this. Yes. Let's see how you can create a frozen set. Use the frozen set constructor to create a frozen set from any iterable. Create a frozen set and check this time. Okay, let's see. Our frozen set will be this. What we have written apple, banana, cherry, and it will print this. This is our frozen set. So if you want to check the time for that, frozen set, you have to use a parenthesis and a curly braces. So this is frozen set. You can see class is frozen set also appearing. There are some methods if you want to note down or you can remember. Here, copy returns a shallow copy, difference intersection. This is not much is important. If subset is superset, yes, you can use operator for union also. So let's see set methods, what we have covered till now. So these are the add, clear, copy, difference, discard, intersection. These all we have covered, update, union. This is not much as important. Symmetric difference, this is not important. If you want to note down, you can note down. I am waiting for this. Let's see a quick recap of this. We have covered Python set, this is set. How you can access like this for X, this is loop by loop. How you can add by using add operator. How you can remove by using remove operator, discard operator, join sets we have covered, union, update, intersection, and frozen set. Frozen set. This is the syntax for frozen set. So I hope you all enjoyed this lecture of set. So I have covered about sets and lists, tuples. In next lecture, we will cover about dictionaries. We will see what are dictionaries. This is like key value pairs. You can see dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. Like there is a brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. Okay, like name, your name, Ayush, age 20, like this runs like key value pairs. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed and learned many things, many new things also intersection, how we perform these types of s- but, operations in Python also. I have seen in maths, but we have covered this in Python also. So thank you everyone. Thank you.